If you want the look of fresh greenery without having to take care of a real plant like myself, because I never can keep them alive, this is an easy decor piece. So this is an artificial eucalyptus arrangement. So just to be clear, this is not real eucalyptus. It's completely a faux plant designed to look realistic, which I love because you get a nice look without having to take care of a plant, because I am never successful at that. So what is nice is it does come ready to go. The arrangement features 20, I'm going to show you how it comes. The arrangement features 20 artificial eucalyptus stems. They are pretty well prearranged, but to me, you still have to fluff them. It does come with this really cute ceramic vase. When you unpack it, it's literally, these are just sticking in there in the pot like this. When you get it for me, I want to fluff these up before I put it on display in my house. You can place this anywhere you want, right? This will be cute. The vase itself measures 5.9 inches in diameter, 5.5 inches high. So it's a really nice size to make an impact without taking up a lot of space, right? The white ceramic vase gives you a really clean look. It works really well with like a farmhouse, neutral type vibe. It is a very simple piece that adds life to your space without a lot of effort, for sure. If you're looking for a realistic looking faux plant ready to style right out of the box, just going to need to fluff these out a little bit. I'm going to do that and then I'll show you what it looks like. This is, to me, is a really good find. It's a really nice product.